Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display specific column, container, widgets or element for mobile layout only in Elementor WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Elementor page. Now you see container. So click on edit container. On left side you see layout, style, advanced. So click on advanced and then scroll down, you see responsive. So again click on it and then you see visibility, hide on desktop, hide on tablet, hide on mobile. So enable hide on desktop, hide on tablet. So this container only visible for mobile portrait. Now we are going to display widget or element for mobile layout. Now you see this is our widget. So click on it. So this is our tabs and tour. So click on advanced. Now scroll down, you see responsive. So click on it and then you see hide on desktop, tablet, mobile. So enable hide on desktop, hide on tablet. So we are going to display this widget on mobile layout only and we hide on tablet and desktop and then click on update. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.